Hey everyone. For today's demo, I am going to use Balloon to help me understand if I have a product and I want to identify top three areas where AI can actually add some immediate product value. And this is a common question I think everybody is trying to understand for the last 1 year, and how can AI improve their product and they can stay afloat, they can stay up in the market. And so I'm going to use Balloon for this, and I've picked my own repository, my own product Balloon for in this case. I just want to experiment and see how can it actually help me. So yeah, I'm just going to add identify uh, top three areas uh, in my product which or where AI can add immediate product value, and just going to submit and wait for the balloon to give me a right answer. So as you all know, Balloon uses Cursor internally as an AI agent as a service, and it just takes your query. And imagine you are using Cursor but not actually installing it. So you don't have to worry about the coding and the code bases, etc. You just have to use Balloon, and you have the response here. So it's saying that you have top quick wins. A1 AI triage for incoming tickets and requests. So you all, to explain, before I go into this, Balloon is a tool which helps you answer any questions or queries related to the product. It can help you build product itself, make some code changes, and there's also a Jira connector which you can use to assign tickets directly to Balloon and AI. And so it's saying that the top quick wins are AI triage for incoming tickets and requests, auto tagging, priority suggestions, and routing to the right workflow. Okay, this is interesting because I can use AI to automatically check the incoming requests and tag it automatically and prioritize them so that I can improve the workflow for the entire dev and product team. And an in product assistant that guides users through setup, pricing choices, and common tasks with contextual answers. An interesting point. So I can create an assistant maybe somewhere on the chat, somewhere on the right hand side, and which anybody can ask questions, and I can use AI to help them set up and pick the right pricing choices and comment, which is a very valid uh, feature. And automated summaries, insights for activity feeds, meeting notes, and release changes to PMs and stakeholders they align. Another interesting point and feature to consider. And so what I'm going to do now is this is you can continue the discussion and ask more questions. Or if I like, for example, I like these three changes, and I really want to uh, work on this. And maybe let's uh, give me estimates or guesstimate or effort to make this. And so what it's going to do is going to come back with story points, and it will give you a comparison of how much the effort would take in terms of story points and hours and dev effort if you use AI, and if you do not use AI, like go with traditional and do the vibe coding. And we have the response here, like I said. So it's saying we need to make something like this, an end product assistant with a chat and chatbot which uses AI and guides you through the setup. You can do it in 8 story points, and it will need probably 8 to 12 days and 64 to 96 hours of effort. But if you use vibe coding AI, you can do it in 5 story points. It's only a matter of 4 to 5 days, and maximum around 35 to 48 hours. And it's also showing the confidence level it has, which is it's pretty much confident on both of them. And it's also giving some key factors: number of setups, setup steps and branching logic, iterations, permissions and data import, depth of contextual guidance and UI polish, intent coverage, and guardrails for the system to make sure it doesn't give back any incorrect responses, analytics and other metrics information. And the areas by effort by areas. There's a front end needs medium effort, back end almost medium, and yeah. And Now, if I'm confident with this effort estimate, so I don't have to go back to the developer and ask them to come back with estimates. I can use this as a base and then go to my developer and check how much effort is needed. And then I can also create PRD, create a test plan, create technical spec. So for this case, I'm going to create a PRD. Let's say, uh, how does it work? So I'm asking you to create a product requirements document. It will take a couple of minutes to create a nice uh, card, which I can use to download, and we have it. And as you can see, it's a detailed requirement doc with it's saying deliver an embedded assistant and reducing value and the goals and user stories which you want to create. As a new user, I want guided steps to finish onboarding without confusion. As an admin, I should do this. A PM, I should be able to uh, see where users are stuck so that I can prove this funnel, which is perfect. This is what I exactly want as a product manager or as a founder for my product, and I want to see which features or how I can work on. And it's giving you some acceptance criteria and technical notes and open questions. Now I can go on and create test plan. I can download this. For some reason, it's not showing the create Jira. I can also create the Jira directly from here. I can ask it to give me Jira title and description for this, and it will go and come back and give you the Jira descriptions. And you can also create Jira directly from here if you are connected to Jira. I have set up the connection already. So that's it for today's demo. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.